Good morning, ma'am.
This session we have started on the subclans. In that we have the types of subqueries. In that, with all the operators we are going to use. I think I have discussed or explained the any operator and all operator. Right? Have I given the notes?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then now take the notes of this notes. Take the heading. Uh, did I given any assignment for this? Okay.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Take down the heading as any operator. In that, it is used to compare. It is used to compare the LHS. Sorry, it is used to compare the LHS value. It is used to compare the LHS value with RHS value. Take down the syntax. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, write down point wise. First point, any operator can take any operator, any operator can take multiple values, can take multiple values in RHS, in RHS, but only one value in LHS. But only one value in LHS. Next point, any operator, any operator will be written true. Any operator will be written true if any operator will be written true if any of the comparison value is any of the comparison value is true. Any of the comparison value is true. Next point. Any operator works similar to OR operator. Any operator works similar OR operator. take down this answer. Then
Yes, ma'am.
let's take down the heading as all operative. All operative. In that, it is used to compare LHS value with RHS. It is used to compare LHS value with RHS. Down the syntax. Then
Yes, ma'am.
next, start from next line. Point wise. First point, all operator can take multiple value. All operator can take multiple value in RHS. All operator can take multiple value in RHS. But only single value. But only single value in LHS. Only single value in LHS. Next point. If we want to use all operator, if we want to use all operator, then there should be relational operator. If we want to use all operator, then there should be relational operator. Next point. In all operator, in all operator, if any of the comparison is written false, in all operator, if any of the comparison if any of the comparison is written false, then then the final output will be false. Then the final output will be false. Next point, all operator works similar to or AND operator. All operator works similar to AND operator. State down this example.
Done.
Take down the example query. First query. Write a query to display. All the employee details. Write a query to display all the employee details. Those who are working with salary, those who are working with salary greater than, those who are working with salary greater than any of the tested. Write a query to display all the employee details, those who are working with salary greater than any of the tested. Can we write the query for this? Guys, anybody, how can we write a query for this? This is a query, but the thing is we are changing the operator. That's here in the query they have provided to display all the employee details. So select star. Then I need to mention table from where I'm fetching the data. So the table name is employee, and they have given the condition that those who are working with salary greater than any of the tested. We need to display all the employee details, and we have a condition that we have to display only those people who has the salary that is greater than any of the tested. Okay, any of the testers, from any of the testers, the salary, all the people whose salary is greater than the testers, those data should be displayed. Okay, so how can we give? What is the condition column? That is salary. Then they have given salary greater than any of the testers. Okay, greater than any of the testers, so any operator. Okay, then we need to start writing the subquery here. Select salary from employee pay. Which column I should use here in the condition of subquery?
Job.
Job is equal to see, we got all 4,000, 5,000, 3,000, 20,000, 420, 6,000. The salary of the tester is 15,000. Okay, just consider the number of the, if we consider the first digit of the salaries, we have 15,000 means we have number 1. Okay, so greater than the tester's salary, we have only one tester who is working for 4,000 and all the other testers are working for 15,000. Okay, so here they asked any of the testers' salary greater than any of the testers' salary. So we got all the people who are earning greater than the testers. Clear? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Then let's try for the all of the testers.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
did
yeah,
you call me?
Pawan. Yeah, Pawan.
I just heard my name, so sorry.
Yeah, that's
Ma'am, in the previous query where we have used any, like the developer is 3,000, which is lesser than 4,000, right? And 20,000 should also be not displayed.
your tester is compared with the tester, and testers are compared with the others. Okay, we have the common value of testers 15,000 more people. We are just comparing it with all of them. Then what are all the greater value we have than those testers? Those values are going to be displayed. So here the one tester data is displayed and we have all the other people data. Just
Okay, ma'am.
it is taking the common thing that is 15,000. I'll show you the table. See here, except Chaya, all the testers are earning 15,000. Okay. So by after what it will do, it will compare all the data, tester data, compare with the tester data also and other data also, which is common data. Like 15,000 is the most of the testers are earning salary. So when it compared with others, it will take this one tester except this tester, all the other values, which are more than that. Okay. Here, Namrata, she is earning salary 15,000. Okay. That is not displayed here. Understood? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. We apply this rule for all operators. Just we need to change the operator. So here we have only we got here we got only two people. Okay. Here we have any of the people who are working as job has tester, right? Here all of the testers, the data which we are going to display should be the date the people of that data should get the salary greater than all of the testers. Here, see, any means you are like taking any of the testers' salary. Here, what they took, the compiler took the value of 15,000. Okay, 15,000 salary, the compiler took as the reference, and then it compared with all the values, then it given the output. Okay, here all of the tester means it includes even Chaya here. Okay, here all of the testers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people are working as testers, and say 7 are earning, one is earning 4,000, and other people are earning 15,000. Okay, now what it will do, it will compare with each and every people. Here it display 5,000 and 6,000 only. It doesn't display 20,000 and 4,000 as well as the 3,000 because they are less than 4,000, right? So, clear? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Take down this answer. Just remember that in the query, in the question, if they provided like any of the particular column or particular data of the column, just you should use the any operator. If they provided all in the query or in the question, you should use the all operator. Okay. Let me know after you guys done this.
Done, ma'am.
Down the next query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display all the employee details. Write a query to display all the employee details. Those who are working, those who are working, those who are working with salary, those who are working with salary greater than all of the testers. Those who are working with salary greater than all of the testers. down the space. Then
Yes, ma'am.
next take down the heading. In the in this case, in this case, in this case, join two tables, join two tables, join two tables based on the common column, based on the common column, based on the common column, and display display only one table information, and display only one table information. In that, write down the first query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display department and location. Write a query to display department and location for all the employees. For all the employees, those who are working, those who are working in sales department, those who are working in sales department. Here, this is the different one. Okay, means it is also the way of writing the subquery, but here we are including the joins concept. By using the common condition or joining condition, we are going to join the two tables, and we need to write that thing in by using the subquery. Okay. It is the query given that write a query to display department and location for all the employees. Okay. What is the columns they are asked to display? What are the columns they are asked to display?
Department and location.
Department and location.
Yeah, both the column are in which table?
EMP3.
EMP3.
So select department, you know, issue from MP3. Okay, this is the table. Then they have given the condition that where all the employees are working as sales. The people who are working as sales, only those people details they want us to display. Okay. Here, by using which column, we can join the two tables,
Department number.
right? So, first we are going to write the common column condition. Okay. How can we write by using the subquery means where department number, here I'll use in operator. Okay. Then we need to start writing the subquery. Here also we should mention which column?
Department number.
Department number.
Yeah. Department number. But the change is, since I have provided here already employee 3, EMP3 table, here we should provide EMP1 table. Okay. This is completely, I have given the EMP3 table in the outer query and I am giving the EMP1 table in the subquery, inside the subquery or inner query. If they have provided like display employee name and manager ID, I have used like EMP1 table in the outer query. Why?
Employee name and manager ID in EMP1 table.
Yeah, got it. So that is how we are going to change the things in a query or in a syntax by looking into the query which is provided. Okay. Then what is the condition given? The people who are working in where? Job.
Sales
order.
department.
Yeah. Department is equal to sales. See, they asked us to display the department and location, and they wanted only the people who are working in sales department. So the department and location are sales. Sales has the department and location is the employee. If they asked some other things to display, for example, we can say for example, I'll take EMP name. Okay. Since we know that department and location both are in the EMP3, I'm taking EMP3 only, the two. Very good. Okay. Here we are not joined the table because we only display the department and location, right? So I am just adding one more column, that is employee. Department number in select department number from EMP1 where department is equal to sales. Guys, can anybody try this out? If if you have any idea.
Ma'am, I think in first where department number is equals to, there we have to use either EMP1 dot department number or something like that.
Ma'am, here where job is equal to maybe sales.
Have the dot sorry.
Okay, okay.
Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. Why it's not taking the complete comments, both the table. I'll just check it out and I'll tell you, okay, in the next class. Now just take down this answer. When
Done, ma'am.
return the next query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display all the employee details. Write a query to display all the employee details. All the employee details. Those who are working. Those who are working. Those who are working from the location from the place. Those who are working from the place. From the place which contains character O. Which contains character O. Here, the query is given to display all the employee details. So, I'm going to consider, I'm thinking that like we need to specify a specific columns which is provided, and we need to specify only one table while writing the outer query, and afterwards by the joining condition we need to start writing the subquery, and we need to mention just the another table so that it will won't get the, since I am getting here almost all the errors are like ambiguous. Ambiguous is nothing but confusion. So I think in that way we should write this query. So select, since they have asked to display all the employee details, so I am taking start. Then from, I need to mention any one of the table name. Okay. So here I am mentioning EMP1. Okay. Then where condition is select department number. From here I need to mention EMP3. Then the condition provided. What is the condition?
Place contains a character O.
So how can I write that?
Location
Location
like modulus O modulus.
they didn't mention any particular position. So here it is. We have Karthik, Shruti, Pavan, Vinita, and Akshita. Okay. Karthik, Shruti, Pavan, Vinita, and Akshita. They have the department numbers 10 and 20. 10 and 20, Bangalore and Mysore. Both the locations contains a character row, right? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Click on this. Thanks. done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Enter the next query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display all the employee details. Sorry, all the department details. Write a query to display all the department details for all the employees. For all the employees whose name starting with is character. Write a query to display all the department details for all the employees. For all the employees whose name starting with this character. Whose name starting with this character. Try this out. Okay.